So I'm quite sure that many of you are super excited to know about the newly launched Redtiger A6 dashcam, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 10 things which you need to know about this camera, which can help you decide if this is the right dash camera for you. You're watching Gizmobeep. Let's get started. So before I talk about any of the features, let's just get the price aspect sorted. Well, you have two options to purchase this dashcam. One is from Amazon and another is directly from the Redtiger website. And I definitely think you should consider buying from the Redtiger website even though the price is a bit higher. And why is that? Let me explain you. On Amazon, this camera is available at 12,999, that's about 13,000 rupees. And on the Redtiger website, it's available at 14,999, that's about 15,000 rupees. So there's a price difference of 2,000 rupees, or should I say you have to pay extra 2,000 if you are purchasing from the Redtiger website. And why is that? Because if you do purchase from the Redtiger website, you're gonna get a hardware kit along with the camera. Now the hardware kit by itself costs about 2,600 rupees. So if you add in the factor, you are actually saving 600 rupees on the hardware kit if you are purchasing from the Redtiger website. And I definitely think that's an important saving, because if you are buying this dash camera and you want to also have parking monitoring for your car, getting the hardware kit along with the camera at a lesser price, I mean a discounted price of about 600 bucks, purchasing directly from the Redtiger website makes more of a logical deal. And just in case if you want to purchase from Amazon as well without the hardware kit at a price of 13,000, you'll find the link for the Amazon as well in the description below. So the price part being sorted, let's jump on to the top 10 features of this dashcam. Starting off with the fact that this camera gets a free memory card inside the box, or should I say inside the camera. You get a 64 GB card which can write close to 5 to 6 hours worth of footage. But of course you can also use a 256 GB memory card which you can purchase separately. That will help you record close to about 20 hours worth of footage. Now this camera is a triple channel setup, which means it shoots 2.5K, that is a quad HD 1440p resolution from the front, and a full HD from the interior or the cabin camera, and a full HD resolution from the rear camera. But the good thing is that you can switch the triple channel to a dual channel setup, which means you can record an upscaled 4K from the front and a full HD from the rear camera. You can also record only from the front and the cabin camera. That is also again a 2.5K and a full HD resolution. And along with that, you can also record only from the cabin camera and the rear camera, which is full HD plus full HD resolution. So you get a lot of convenient options. So you get a lot of different options in terms of using various cameras. You can also switch between various different resolutions as well. But do note that all cameras shoot at a standard 30 frames per second. Another important thing about this camera, probably the most practical aspect of this camera, is that this gets a near 360-degree rotatable mount. I mean, if you have seen my previous short video, I had shown you this particular aspect. Basically, you can rotate the camera towards the left or towards the right, which can enable the camera to record both driver side window and the passenger side window simultaneously. Now, why is this important? Because whenever you're stopped at a checkpost, either a police checkpost or a toll booth, there will be people coming up to your window to chat up with you, and it's very important that you record this particular interaction. So just rotating the camera towards one side will ensure that both windows are recorded simultaneously, and you will have complete evidence of all the interaction or the chat up that might happen in that particular moment. And once the chat is done, you can just turn the camera back to the front and the camera will start recording in its normal own way. So this is one feature which has never before seen in any camera, and the Redtiger A6 is the only triple channel dashcam which currently has this feature. Another cool thing about this camera is that the cabin camera or the interior camera gets infrared lights, which means during night time the camera shifts to infrared mode. That means you don't get dark footage from the cabin at night, because basically inside the cabin there won't be any light whenever you are driving. So having infrared lights is important. I mean, probably most triple channel dashcams do come with an infrared light. This is not a very special feature, but it is something which you should note about. This camera also gets parking monitoring feature, and within parking monitoring you get time-lapse monitoring and collision detection. Now do note that in order to enable parking monitoring, you need to purchase the hardware kit separately. And as I said previously, if you purchase the hardware kit along with the camera, using the link given in the description below from the Redtiger website, you will get additional savings of close to 600 rupees. So do consider buying from the website using the link given in the description below. This camera also gets a built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for the fastest transfer of videos from the dashcam to your smartphone. Having a GPS means you can track the movement of the car once the car has returned back and you have transferred the videos to your PC or your smartphone. Using the Redtiger app, you can track all the way, all the routes the car has taken, all the speeds it has approached. Basically you can do all the tracking once the car is back. So in terms of convenience, or should I say ease of use, Redtiger dashcams are simply the best. And the Redtiger A6 continues the trend by giving you voice control along with a touch screen within the 12 to 13,000 price segment. So this camera, similar to most other Redtiger dashcams, comes with a super capacitor. So theoretically this is better in terms of resistance to heat and better in terms of durability. Last but not the least, both the interior or the cabin camera and the rear camera are adjustable, which means the interior camera can be tilted around to a degree of about 15 degrees to the left or the right, or even up and bottom. The rear camera on the other hand can be rotated 360 degrees, which means just in case if you want to record the cabin of the car from a rear perspective, you can simply rotate the rear camera towards the cabin and you can record that. But just in case you want to adjust a slightly different angle, the rear camera offering a 360 degree rotation gives you a lot of flexibility. So considering all of these aspects and considering the price point of this camera, that is 13,000 without the hardware kit and 15,000 with the hardware kit with a discount of 600 bucks if you do purchase from the Redtiger website, the Redtiger A6 makes for a compelling purchase. But there is one thing which probably many of you might miss, is that this doesn't get a star to sensor. So it's 2025 and it's age of dash cams with star to sensor. So this camera doesn't get it. So if you're someone who is specifically looking for better low light visibility, better number plate visibility during night time, this camera might not suit your needs. But considering the budget this comes at and considering the features this camera offers, definitely one to consider and definitely the one to keep on top of the list, on your list for checking out some dash cameras. That being said, if you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, I'm quite sure it has, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some super cool dash cams. The full review of the Redtiger A6 dash cam will be dropping very soon on my channel and I'm currently working on that particular video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.